Denise Morris here from Knack Training, and today's quick fix video is about creating a flat view inside of SharePoint. SharePoint lets you tailor your data how it appears, so you can easily switch between summary and detail depending on what you need. If your files are hidden in a bunch of different folders, flat view is exactly what you want because it pulls all the files out of the folders. Let me show you how. I'm inside of this document library and I have multiple folders, and then within the folders I have files. I need to be able to see all of these files at one time. Folders are a great system, but once you get too many folders within folders, it starts to get bogged down. So I'm going to create a view. To create this view, I'm going to go over here to the gear and I'm going to click on library settings. Once I do that, I'm going to choose more library settings. Once this opens, I'm going to scroll down until I see create view down here. Now, a flat view is a view where all of the files have been removed from the folders. It is a standard view, so I'm going to choose standard view, and it's going to give me the opportunity to name my view, and I don't have to get fancy with this. I'm just going to call it a flat view, and there's a lot of information. You either make it a personal view or you can create public so other people too can view it that way. And I'm going to scroll down until I get here to the folders. When I click on folders, it's going to expand and it's going to ask me, do I want my items inside folders or show all of the items without folders, which is what I'm choosing to do here. I click OK. And now next to my all documents, I have a new view. I click on that. And now everything within this financial records library, all of the files have been removed from their folders, and it is an easy way to find the file you're looking for. If you no longer want it to be in flat view, you can go back to all documents. If you no longer want this view, you can click on the drop down and delete the view. So there you have it. Seeing everything at once, switch to a flat view. And it's a view, so you can change it back whenever you want. Remember, small changes, quick fixes, big wins.